Okay, so in this bag we have so much stuff, so let's get into it. Okay. So first, an infinity cube. 2 pop tubes. I can look inside, but I'll pop it. This like ball. I can solve this pretty well. Oh, this Picnic Pops perfume. A needle. And some slime. This slime is a 2 out of 10. It has Orbeez in it, and it's not that good. Needles, 10 out of 10. Pop tube, it's pretty annoying, so 5 out of 10. This ball, 10 out of 10, because I can solve it pretty well. I already said that. This infinity cube, I think a 9.5, because it's boring sometimes. Pop it, 60,000 out of 10. And yeah, that's it. Bye.